Hello everyone, today I will show you how to change the user interface settings in Mouse PI for Hire. Let's begin by opening the settings menu. From here, make sure you are in the graphics section and scroll down to the bottom. Here under user interface, you can change the UI brightness. This gauge goes from 0 to 100. Set it to whichever value is best for you. Then you can go and change the UI contrast. That's basically the same thing, as in it changes the contrast for the UI, as the brightness changes the brightness for you, the UI. Of course, there is also the gamma correction, which you can change on the scale from 0 to 100. The last thing is screen shake. You can change it on a scale from 0 to 1 with steps of 10, 0.1 that is. You can completely disable the screen shake or leave it at the normal level, I guess. Change those settings however you wish, and once you personalize them, hit apply. After that, you can close the menu. And that's about it. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like, comment and subscribe.